Good morning, students. Welcome to your Montessori maths class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Dear students, open book page number 32. Book page number 32 is here. Here are the join the dots from 1 to 20 and then color. Let's join the dots. Kids, firstly find where is the one number, here's the one number, and where's number 2. Now join the number 1 and number 2 dot. Let's join. Where's number 3? Here's the number 3. Number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. 7. Kids, you have to do also join the dots. 8. 9. Here's the 10. And 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Here's the 15 and here's the 16 number. Here's the 16 number. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Wow, it's a sparrow. It's a sparrow. Now you have to join the dots from 1 to 20 and then color the sparrow. Now kids, come fill in the missing numbers. Here's the backward counting from 20 to 1. From 20 to 1, let's write 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and 1 number. Now kids, it's your turn to join the dots from 1 to 20 and color the sparrow, and after that fill in the missing numbers on book page number 32. Allah Hafiz.